Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and thank you all for sharing your time and your energy with me today. This is the third video in our quick yoga series, and today's video is really all about reducing stress and anxiety. So if you're feeling stressed out or if you're feeling anxious, this is a great short quick yoga video for you. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin the sequence coming into a seated position of your choice. You can have your legs crossed, or like me, you can have one leg in front of the other. Hands can rest in your lap, or they can rest on your knees. If you want, you can do a little mudra with your hands by placing your thumb and your index finger together. And your palms can be face up or face down, either or works. And we'll take the first minute or two of this practice doing some breathing exercises, some pranayama. I know for me personally, I love doing any form of pranayama or any type of breathing exercise if I'm ever feeling anxious or stressed, as breathing is such a great way to help you relax and help you calm down. So let's close our eyes here and simply just come back to your natural breath. Not trying to judge your breath in any way, just accepting where you are in this moment. In our first breathing exercise, we're going to be doing just simple belly breathing. So as you inhale, your belly expands. As you exhale, your belly contracts and draws in. So let's all start in our seated position. Inhale, expand the belly, exhale, draw it back in. Inhale, expand. Exhale, draw it back in. Do a few more just like this, moving with your breath. Now from here, we're going to move into three-part yogi breath. So we're going to inhale, expand our belly, move up, expand our ribs, move up, expand our chest. We're going to hold it up here for a second or two, and then exhale, we're going to release our chest, release our ribs, draw the belly in. So everyone, let's inhale, expand the belly, expand the ribs, expand the chest. Hold at the top, exhale, release chest, ribs, belly draws in, inhale, belly expands, ribs expand, chest expands, hold, exhale, release chest, ribs, belly draws in. Do a few more, moving at your own pace. Do one more round. Awesome job, everyone. Maybe you notice you may be feeling a little bit different already just by doing the breathing exercises. And now from here, let's inhale, bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, plant our right hand in the mat in line with our right hip. Reach over with the left hand for a nice side body stretch, keeping both sit bones in the mat here. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, lift both hands up. Exhale, plant the left hand in the mat in line with the left hip. Reach over with that right arm, feeling a nice side body stretch on the right side. Exhale, come back to center, and again, inhale, lift both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, this time twisting to our right. So our right hand, right arm comes behind us, acting as a second spine. Our left hand resting on our right thigh, making sure you avoid the knee. You want to protect the knee here. And as you inhale, try and lengthen the spine, lengthen the body, and then as you exhale, twist. See if you can go a little bit deeper with each exhale into the pose. If you want a visual, you can try and imagine your body like a wet washcloth. And as you exhale, you're slowly twisting out everything that's on your mind, any anxiety or any stress. You're just slowly rinsing it all out. Exhale, come back to center. We'll inhale, lift both hands up again. Exhale, this time taking it over to the other side. Left hand, left arm behind you, acting as a second spine. Right hand resting on the left thigh. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Squeezing out everything that is no longer serving you. Exhale, come back to center. And from here, let's make our way into all fours. Do a few rounds of cat-cow here. So stacking the hands underneath the shoulders, fingers are spread wide, knees underneath the hips, tops of the feet pushing into the mat. And when you're ready, we'll inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine, moving from your tail. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Do 2 more, moving with your breath. You're ready, we'll meet back in all fours. From here, let's extend the right leg out long. Curl the toes and simply just move back and forth, getting a nice stretch in the back of the right leg. Now from here, let's step our right leg over our left, keeping the toes curled and looking over our left shoulder back at our right foot. Feel a nice stretch in the right side body as well as in the left hip. Just continue to breathe. Exhale, come back to all fours, and we'll take it over to the other side, extending the left leg long, curling the toes. Slowly rocking back and forth, getting a nice stretch in the back of the left leg. And then when you're ready, stepping the left foot over the right leg, looking over your right shoulder back at your left foot. Breathing. Exhale, come back to center. From here, curl the toes, lift up, coming into downward facing dog. Keep those fingers spread wide, hands still pushing into the mat. Now from here, on your next inhale, lift the right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, the right knee to right elbow. Inhale, right foot up. Exhale, right knee to nose. Inhale, right foot up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, right foot up. Exhale, bend the right knee. Step the right foot up between the hands. Lower the left knee down. Shoelaces down. Stacking your right knee over right ankle. Let's inhale. Come up into a nice low lunge. Try and keep your hips in one line here. So for some of us, that may mean drawing the right hip back and the left hip forward. Come back to your breath. We'll take 2 breaths here. On your next exhale, plant the hands, come back to downward facing dog. From here, let's inhale, lift the left foot up towards the sky. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, left foot up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot up between the hands. Lower the right knee down, shoelaces down. Left knee over left ankle. Inhale, rise up into a nice low lunge. Again, try and keep those hips in one line. Coming back to your breath. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. Now from here, let's drop the knees, bringing them as wide as the mat. Big toes to touch, arms, hands extending out long. Coming into a nice child's pose. Forehead resting on the mat here. And just like we were doing before with the twists, try and imagine a little trap door at the crown of your head, letting everything that is no longer serving you fall out into the mat. And when you're ready, we'll simply just move forward, coming into a Sphinx pose. So coming onto our bellies, our elbows are stacked underneath our shoulders, forearms out in front of us. Nice heart opening pose. Beginning to cool down. Your next exhale, we'll slowly, mindfully make our way onto our backs. And then once we make our way onto our backs, let's hug our right knee in towards our chest. Giving yourself a nice hug here. And then from here, let's guide our right knee over to our left side. Taking a nice supine twist, your right arm can come to a T. Trying to keep both shoulders on the mat at all times here. Exhale, slowly come back to center. We'll take it over to the other side, extending the right leg long, hugging the left knee in. When you're ready, guiding the left knee over to the right side. Left arm can come to a T again, trying to keep both shoulders in the mat. Exhale, slowly come back to center. From here, let's make our way into a reclined butterfly pose. So bringing the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open wide. Hands can rest on your hearts or by your sides. One of my favorite hip opening poses. Just come back to your breath. So option to stay here in this reclined butterfly, or you can make your way into a nice shavasana, or if you like, you can rock up, coming into a seated position. And that is all today. So when you're ready, let's bring our hands together at our hearts. Again, thank you all for sharing your time and your energy with me today. The light in me honors the light in all of you. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye, honoring ourselves for taking time out of our own days to heal our bodies, heal our minds. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. Thank you so much. Namaste.